guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Peyton, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig that I received from Afsisterwig. After this installation video will be my review after 2 weeks, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's hop right in with the tutorial. I'm using these two powder foundation and concealers and this little foundation brush to apply that onto the lace. But this is honestly going to be a really simple installation video. I have so many of these, but if you guys want an in-depth one, just let me know. Anyway, I always start off by cutting around my ear, and there's really no how-to. It's kind of just like a watch and do kind of thing, because it's kind of hard to say like how to cut around the ear. But I basically cut off any excess lace that covers my ear, and then I leave a little strip in the front of my ear, kind of like for a sideburns effect. But this is also optional. Some people just cut off anything that goes past their ear, and that's fine too. But this is my method. So now I'm going to be using Ghost Bond XL glue, and I like to do 3 layers of this glue. So all I do is just take a little bit and just dab it. And I also sectioned in this tutorial, so I did the middle section, then the left section, then the right section. So as you can see, I'm just applying a layer and then using a popsicle stick to rub it in, then blow drying it with cool air for about 20 seconds, and then just repeating that 2 more times for a total of 3 layers, and I do that in each section. So it's really simple, but you gotta take your time and apply thin layers so that you don't put too much. And after I apply 3 layers, then I just go ahead and press the lace down. It's better to use a rat tail comb, like the end of a rat tail comb, to press it down, but I was just using my fingers here, just because you don't want the oil from your fingers to transfer over, but it's not that serious, honestly. As long as you blow dry it afterwards, you'll be good. Just a quick little note, also notice how I will continue to go back in. That's also really important because sometimes you might miss spots. So just going back in to ensure that your lace is flat is always like the best thing to do, especially if you want it to last a longer time. So although this wig did come pre-plucked, I just went in with some tweezers and plucked it up some more just to make it look a little bit more naturalistic, because with light hair, it's just kind of, it can look fake really fast. And then after that, I just went in with some powder concealer and just applied that to the perimeter, and I also put it on my part just to make it look more natural. But I did have to go back in with bronzer afterwards because the foundation powder was not dark enough. Then afterwards, I took my plug-in pressing comb and I used that to make the hair a lot more flat. And this pressing comb is the truth. If you want to know how to make all your installs look super flat and natural, you need a pressing comb or a plug-in pressing comb. It doesn't really matter, but I like to use my plug-in one. And then you can see me here going back in with the bronzer to make it look a little bit darker. And I also went back in with my little hair cutter and I tried to cut some baby hairs, but I didn't really end up making too many baby hairs. But as you guys can see, here's me just trying to lay it down. I just thought the baby hairs didn't really look too realistic just because his hair is so bright. But I think no baby hair is like the best option for hair colors that look really, really bright like this one. So at this point, I'm basically almost done with the installation, and I forgot to show this, but I just took a scarf and wrapped it around my head for 20 minutes, took it off, and it looked really flat and amazing. So this was the end result. I hope you guys liked it. And in my review, my hair looks a little worse because I had already had it in for 2 weeks, but it still looked good here anyway. So let's hop right into the review. I just got ready to go to the club and I'm supposed to be leaving in like 10 minutes. So I'm literally about to breeze through this video, but no worries, I'm gonna give you guys all the tips and details that you need to know about this wig. So to begin, I got this unit from Afsisterwig. This is the 3rd review that I've done for them, and this time they sent me this silver wig. Now you guys are probably like, girl, that's not silver, but trust me, when I got this wig, it was silver. You guys are gonna see in the installation video the color was a little bit different, so the color did like change a little bit, but I still think it looks kind of silver, but it's more like on the ash blonde platinum side now. Anyway, so it came in this box. It did come really fast. It came in like 4 days, and I've never had any problem with Afsisterwig shipping. Of course, anytime I get the unit, it comes in this netting, and this will be inside the wig, and then they usually give me a comb, some clips, and then it has like this little instruction booklet. But yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, you already know they always send like goodies. That's why I like them, and they send this box. I'm not really a fan of boxes. I actually like bags, so I could put the wig in the bag, but it's fine. I have so many bags that I don't even need it. But yeah, so this is the box right here. Now I'm gonna read you guys the specs on this unit, so let me get the information really quickly. So this is their Brazilian straight silver unit. It came this color, and the color did change like over time, honestly, and I've had this wig on for like a week and a half now, and I honestly love it so far. I'll have all the details in the description box below because I can't find all of the information. I know this unit is 22 inches and it falls like right under my boobs. Yeah, it's pretty full. They didn't send me all the specs for this unit. They just sent it to me, but like I don't know the density or anything like that. But it will all be in the description box below. I got this wig, I installed it. I really didn't do anything to this hair except customize the perimeter a little bit. I've had this wig on for a while now, so of course my perimeter is looking a little crusty, but I hope you guys can't tell. As you guys are going to see in the tutorial video, I did like use foundation and concealer to make it look a little bit more natural, and I do think I like this lace a lot better than my 613 wig that I dyed ash blonde lace. Just because that lace was a little bit thicker. This one was a little bit easier to manipulate because it was thinner. So yeah, I do like that about this. And I guess I'm just like going into the pros and the cons. But yeah, this hair is like so soft, so pretty. I've gotten so many compliments with the color. Some people think it's silver, some people think it's lavender, some people think it's pink. I don't know. Like, I think the hair honestly changes colors if we're being real. But right now on this camera, it looks ash blonde. And for like the past 2 days, it's been looking ash blonde. I think when I wash it, maybe the color will like go back to the silverish tone. But I'm not tripping. I really think it's bomb anyway. Like, you can see how kind of it looks more silverish under here and it looks more yellow up here. It could probably also be because I got like foundation on this hair here and there. Like I said, I've had this hair on for a while now, so I haven't washed it in about
almost 2 weeks. So yeah, it is like a little bit dirty because I do put on like makeup, and I do my makeup after I do my hair, so it gets on it. Anyway, that's what I had to say about that color. Yeah, and it's really soft. And it came really quickly, and I just think this wig is really amazing. I think of all 3 wigs that I've tried from Afsisterwig, this has to be my favorite. The blue one, not really a fan of it that much. Ash blonde one, I liked it, but I did that color myself, and it came this color, so I really liked it, and it was pre-plucked, and it was just bomb. Like, the volume is bomb. This is like so much softer compared to the other wigs that I've tried from them, and it's just so pretty. I get so many compliments, and I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see what it looks like from the back. Yeah, so that's basically all I had to say for that. For the cons, I would say that the color changed. I don't know why, but I think maybe after I wash the hair, the color is gonna go back. I think the color changed just because I got foundation on it, and it's like kind of dirty now. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with that, and of course you guys can check my Instagram at payton.b if you do want to see any updates with the wig, because I'll probably just post about it after I wash the hair and wear it again. Before this video, I uploaded a vlog, and in my vlog this hair looks silver. So if you guys think I'm lying, like, I'm gonna input some clips of the hair at first, and it looks different shades in different videos in different lighting. So yeah, don't worry if y'all are probably like, girl, this is blonde. Like, no, it's silver, and I think it's gonna go back to silver after. The shedding has been honestly really minimalistic, which is surprising because this is 613 hair, and I haven't had tangling at all either. I've curled this hair, and for the most part I've worn it straight. I wore it curled for 2 days, and I used like a wand curl to curl it, but other than that I've just straightened it. I've only had a middle part, but this is a frontal, so it's from ear to ear, and it is pre-plucked, and I agree, like, it is pre-plucked, and I had to pluck it some more just so it can look a little bit more realistic, but for the most part it looks good. I love it. Yeah, this hair is just so bomb. I for sure give this a 9 out of 10. Because anytime I worked with Afsisterwig in the past, it's kind of been like eh, but this time, like, I really like this hair. Like, everybody likes this hair, and I've got the most compliments with this wig compared to any other wig that I got from them. So just a pro tip, if y'all are feeling this unit, you know what, go ahead and click buy. And it's really cheap too, so cheap, color came this way, and it's a really good quality hair. Why not purchase it? You already know what to do. That's really all I had to say about this hair. I'm going to have the details in the description box below. Thank you, Afsisterwig, for working with me again, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below if you have any questions, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.